Hi guys, in this tutorial I will teach you how to use Clash of Clans hack that works both on Android and iPhone devices. It even works on iOS 13, so it will be a very easy gems cheat tutorial and you can follow along to get as many gems as you want. It is still working in 2019 and it will probably work in 2020, so let's get into it. The first thing that you have to do is open a browser on your mobile phone and type coc.hackfast.org. Go to this website, it's coc.hackfast.org, and as you can see in the top left it has a green padlock. It says secure connection, a verified website. So in here you have to enter your username, player tag, or App Store or Google Play email. You can also enter your username and player tag. Since I do not know any of them right now, I'm just going to enter my Google Play email and then select that I'm playing on Android, but if you have iPhone or iPad, select iOS, then click proceed. And then the connection to your account was made successful. You just have to choose the amount of gold and gems that you want. Always go for the maximum possible options, and you should too guys, because no one has ever been banned for using this Clash of Clans hack, and choosing lower options is just really not worth your time. Look, I get 500,000 gems, but you can select 25,000 or 10,000. That's just not worth it. Go all the way to maximum and click next. And as you can see, it is adding gold right now. This whole process will take me like 20 or 40 seconds more, so I'm just going to wait. As you can see, it adding gems right now. And now the last and final step will be just a simple verification. This website wants to make sure that it's adding gold and gems to legit accounts and not bots. So just read the instructions, and I'm going to read them for you and give my opinion on it. It says human verification. You're almost done. Click on the verify now button below to complete human verification. After successful verification, you will receive resources instantly. So just click verify now. It says complete a human verification by completing 2 free offers from the list below, such as quizzes, email, and app offers. Once you have completed human verification correctly, you will receive your gems and coins instantly. So far so good, easy. So this is the last step. I'm going to show you how to do it. And as I said, you have to complete 2 offers, and every offer right here is free. You have many to choose from, and it will only take you like 2 minutes max. So the offers that I complete are usually app offers like this one with the name CyberGhost VPN, which says download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. So this app just wants to be downloaded, open for 30 seconds and closed. So that will take you a minute. And if your completion does not count, make sure you open it for 30 seconds. You can open it for 45-50 seconds just to make sure it counts. And that is one offer down. And you can also complete a quiz. I also complete these ones. They have 20 questions each, and you can just answer random questions. You can answer questions with any answer you want. You don't even need to know the correct one. So 20 questions with any answers will take you a minute too. So 2 offers will take you no more than 2 minutes, and after that is done, as it says right here, it says once you have completed human verification correctly, you will receive your gems and coins instantly. So it's very easy guys. I'm going to show you the website again. It's coc.hackfast.org. Thank you guys for watching. If you have trouble verifying, there are a couple things you can do. You can try using another phone or asking your friend to do it for you. It will only take him a few minutes. You can also like this video, subscribe to my channel, and in the comment section below say that you liked and subscribed, and leave your username with what phone you play the game on, and I will send you myself 500,000 gems, but you have to be a subscriber of mine, so make sure you actually subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on Clash of Clans hack that works for Android and iOS 13. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.